This is an under power or video inspection of a McClean Anderson model Spider WMS-4-4-4M Flex CNC multi-spindle filament winder, new in 2018. It's a 4-head, 10-inch 3-jaw chucks, 4 filament winding stations, feeder cabinets, computer control. We'll walk up and look at the computer. The Montavio units, which are PLC units, control the filament tension. And then here is the control, the flex wind, and then this is onboard cameras for looking inside the place where the filament rolls are. We're going to actually turn the spindle heads on, but because it's on, if I walk in, it will shut itself off. I'm just doing a walk around so that you can see that this is a pretty unused machine. It's the electrical cabinet. It's pretty bright. This is actually the resin area, pump area, Graco. You may not need that, but it comes with it. You're looking through the cabinet at the filament, where the filament rolls off. There's another cabinet on this side, and then you can see the 4 heads, and they feed through this tensioner right here. So the filament winder carriage is moving into its home position. Well, it's now in home position. So we're just dry running through a program. The carriage runs on a rack and pinion system overhead. Carriage is running across as if it was laying down filament right now. The machine is in excellent condition. Okay, so the chucks that are not turning are just free spinning, where I'm standing on the left-hand side, these are the drive chucks. So this concludes the underpower video demonstration of the McClean Anderson Spider 444 CNC filament winding machine.